To other news now, grief and anger gripped those who attended the funeral service for 3-year-old Jace Pinnock on Thursday. Lawmakers, including the Prime Minister, promised to maintain a tough approach on criminals who continue to point their guns at innocent Jamaicans. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Grief as raw today as it was on the day of the vile attack a month ago. A broken mother wept over the little blue casket. Inside lay Jace Pinnock, dead. His favorite superhero Batman and Batman's signature light decorated the tiny casket and his pictures in the church. But Jace's light will never shine as bright, dimmed at just 3 years old. The Prime Minister was among those who attempted to comfort the broken mother at Thursday's funeral service.
I felt your pain, but I did see the strength of a woman, a strong woman. There are no words that I could put together that would be sufficient in comfort in this moment. But I know that you know what my heart is towards you and your family.
For him, such an attack must never be repeated in Dedham Town or anywhere else, meaning residents must stand up.
If we want to get rid of criminals in the society, we must draw a line that is clear. Criminals, you are over there. Law-abiding citizens, we are here. And our objective is to get rid of the criminals out of our community, out of our homes, out of our schools. Get the criminals out.
A warning also to criminals who Dr. Holness labelled as a pestilence on communities.
This government is determined to break the back of every gang in Jamaica. I don't care where you are, how bad you are, we are going to break.
3-year-old Jace Pinnock and his father, Terrio Pinnock, died in the gun attack. The boy's sibling was also shot and injured. It is reported that on February 21, armed men invaded the family's home and opened fire on all 3 individuals. The Major Investigation Division, MID, has charged 2 gang members in relation to the killings and shooting. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.